Welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Sambal Ikan Parang, or in English they call wolf herring. Never heard before. I just Google search and I found. So this is a Ikan Parang that I bought from the market, very fresh. We'll cut this into half and fry it. Make it cook too thick, it's very hard to fry, so better to cut into half. Okay, we have the fish cut into half. That's a lot. You can cook and eat for 3 days. What I'm going to do is I'm going to salt the fish and then go and fry it. Okay, I have put the salt in the fish already. So now I'm going to fry the fish and then make the sambal. Cover it first. Set the time to cook for 10 minutes. While waiting for the fish to cook, I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. Alright, while waiting for the fish to cook, I'm going to cut all these ingredients and blend it. So I have 1 large onion, about 2 cups of shallots, and also 2 cups of dry chili. This is the tamarind. I'm going to make it into a tamarind water. I have 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste or belacan, about 8 pieces of candlenuts, and 1 nut of turmeric. So I'm going to cut all this and blend it together, and yeah, let's do it. I'm going to put in the candlenut first. I cut all the onions and the shallots inside. So this one I'm not going to cut it because it's going to stain my chopping board. So just to shrimp paste, some belacan, and chili. This is the tamarind water. Put it inside here. Alright, let's go and blend it. Finally, the fish is done. Alright. Ikan Parang. So I'm done with the fried fish. Now I am going to cook the sambal. These are the ingredients that we have blended just now. You need to fry this until the ingredients are cooked. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Continue to cook for another maybe 5 minutes. Let me try the sambal. Delicious. It's just enough for everything, including the tamarind water, so it gives a little bit of sourness and also sweetness from the brown sugar and the onions that really give it a kick. Sambal is done. I'm going to switch off. Here is the sambal. I'm going to pour it over the fish.